Okay, so for set B, we're doing over 2 calendar years. So this gets a little bit trickier. We're going to do number 4. So if you look at it, November 23rd, 2019, but then this is January 7th, 2022. So it's gone into the next calendar year. Okay, so I'm going to break this up and do this in a couple parts. So I'm going to look at November 23rd and look at our serial chart. So if I look at the serial chart and I look up November 23, so 23 is here. November was this second last column. So that's 327 days. So I'm going to write that number down first. So 327. And then I'm actually going to write over here January 7th. So January 7th is just 7 days because remember it counts from January 1st, but it's the next year. But what you have to do is first find out how many days it takes to get to the end of this calendar year. So we're basically looking at December, the very last day. So it's basically December, if we go back to it for a second, so that'd be the very last one. So December 31st is 365. So if I look at December 31st, it's 365 because we want to end off the calendar year. So what I'm actually going to do is subtract these two numbers because I want to see how many days does it take to finish off the calendar year. So if I subtract 365 minus 327, I get 38 days. So it takes 38 days to finish off 2019. And then we're doing an extra going into the next calendar year, another 7 days. So 38 plus 7, I get 45 days. Okay, so this is kind of multi-step. You want to first look at finishing off the calendar year like we did before, and then tack on the second calendar year afterwards.